Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. As y'all can see, we are at Dollar General about to start a new week of 5 off of 25 deals. So the first deal that I am going to do as a part of my 5 off of 25 today is this spend 15, save $3 instantly when you buy any Scott, Viva, Cottonelle, or Kleenex brand products. So as the first item in this $15 deal, I am going to grab one of these Scott 2-pack paper towels. Not going to use any coupons on this, but they are on sale for $2.50. The next two items we are going to grab in the $15 portion of our 5 off of 25 is 2 packs of the 12 equals 24 double rolls of Cottonelle. So I've gotten word that the $5 off 2 digital coupon is working on these. So we are going to test that out today, and I'm going to grab 2 of these to get myself $15 worth of applicable products. The next item we are going to grab is one of the Tide Pods. So these are on sale for $4.94 this week. We have a $2 off 1 digital coupon. Now, I'm not going to use the digital this week because we do have a higher value coupon that's coming out in tomorrow's paper for $3 off 1. So that's what I'm going to use, but you definitely don't need that paper coupon. You can use your $2 off 1 digital. Now I'm going to grab one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents. So these are on sale for $3.95, and we are going to use our $2 off 1 digital coupon. My final item in this deal is going to be one of the Gain liquid fabric softeners. So these are on sale for $3.95, and I am going to use the $2 off digital coupon. So now let's do a quick review of everything that we have as always. So the first 2 items that we have are the 2 12 equals 24 packs of Cottonelle. We are going to use a $5 off of 2 digital coupon on this. Now I'm going to say this really loud because I want y'all to hear me. Only have the $5 off of 2 digital coupon clipped for the Cottonelle. If you have the $1 off 1 Cottonelle coupon clipped as well, this will not work out for you because that $1 will come off instead of the $5. So please make sure that you only clip the $5 off of 2 for this Cottonelle. We are going to do the Gain fabric softener. This is $3.95, and we're going to use our $2 off 1 digital coupon. We have the Tide Pods. These are $4.95. We are going to use the $2 off 1 digital coupon, or for me, I'm going to use the $3 off 1 paper coupon. And then the Gain, we are going to use our $2 off 1 digital. It is $3.95. And then we have the 2-pack of Scott. It is $2.50, no coupons used. Our total before any instant savings is $28.35. After the instant savings comes off for the Scott and the Cottonelle, our total will be $25.35. We are going to use our 5 off of 25 store coupon plus all of those digital coupons. Let's go check out. Yes. Okay, you guys, so you saw how that went. That went perfectly. I think this is a really amazing deal considering that you can get 2 big packs of tissue paper plus some paper towels and your laundry products all for $8.35. In case you did not see my total, there is the Cottonelle, there is the Gain Liquid, the Gain Fabric Softener, the Tide Pods, and the Scott Paper Towels. Our total came up to $8.35 before taxes. Please keep in mind that if you use the $2 Tide digital coupon and keep this all digital versus using the $3 paper coupon like I did, your total will be $1 higher at $9.35. We had a total savings of $20 today on these items, which is amazing for paper products. Please let me know if you have any questions. As always, I thank y'all so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and check the description box for a couple more scenarios. I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.